collect survey. There are 2 points of view. For player point of view, it will only ask 2 simple things, which is game pin and a name. As for creators, when you sign up for Kahoot, it asks if you're a student, educator, or for fun or work. When you create Kahoot, it will also ask to fill out who is the audience, for school or for events. There are many unlimited benefits to play Kahoot. As you can see, you cannot just be consumer of the game, but you can also become a creator yourself, and it is very simple and take less than 10 minutes to create a quiz. And English is not the only option. There are 40 other languages you can choose to create with. For example, Spanish, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, French, Turkish, and so on. Thus, it creates a global attraction, not just limited to English speakers. Number 3. Next, lead to an age group. Kahoot website welcome any ages from young, teen, college, student, adult to elders. Because it is your choice to create any question you like, it is up to self and does not limit any age. Anyone is free to do any question. And number 4 is the easy access. Learning can be very restricted sometimes. However, as for Kahoot, you can use any technology devices such as laptops, smartphone, computers to create or access the quiz. This learning game can be very interactive because Kahoot is a synchronous type of interaction where the questions are displayed on teacher screen and the student have to reply using their devices. Therefore, players have to be attentive with the timer set on for quizzes. Whoever answered the question fast have higher rewards point. This makes the learner engaging and fun while creating friendly competition. And there are not many disadvantages to this game, but there are some few. You can only choose up to 4 answers. And Kahoot is a quick learning game, which means you cannot really go deep or detail with this. Number 3 is Kahoot free version only take up to 1,000 players at a time. It can be problem for really huge seminar. However, Kahoot Premium can go up to 2,000. And some of the trends in current education are there are many technology advances like iClicker, which costs money, and Flickr, which is free, that I'm using for one of my class, and digital ebook, mind mapping, and flipped classroom. Some of the advances can be really boring. Kahoot is another level because it adds the fun in learning. Kahoot can be a great game in both traditional classroom, which can be used as a recap quiz of what the teacher was lecturing about so that the student will pay attention more from now on. In the flipped classroom, where the teacher can assign the student lectures video to watch ahead at home, and during the class time, teacher can use it as a learning tool for students. Another great reason to take advantage of Kahoot is motivating. Personally, I love to hum along the music and play Kahoot because I like competition and earning high points that make me feel accomplished. Formal learning and informal learning create new knowledge and ideas. Flip classroom, engage learning based. Since we're having quizzes, why not make it fun and active for students with Kahoot so that they can actually look forward to quizzes? Thank you.